What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again with another unboxing. Today I want to start this video off by saying I want to give a shout out to Jay's RC Expedition and Psycho13 Garage. Make sure you guys go on and follow those guys. I'll put a link right above. Click that link to follow Jay's RC Expedition. And also click that link to follow Psycho13 Garage. They both got great content. Alright guys, so I want to thank everybody for tuning in, everybody for checking out the videos, all the support. I want to thank everybody for following me on TikTok, as well as Instagram and Facebook. And guys, make sure you check out the links below in the description, because I do have Facebook groups. Got the RC4WD, the TF2 Mini, Micro, whatever you want to call it. Got several different groups in there. Make sure you guys check that out. And if anybody is ordering from Injora Store, any parts, use the code GNCRC05 to get 5% off of your orders. That is GNCRC05. And that's at the Injora Store. I'll put a link in the description also. We do have the giveaway going on. At the end of the month, which is the 31st, we will be announcing who's going to win this, who we're going to be sending this to. But also, I got 3 more sets. I don't know if I've shown these before. 2 more sets, I'm sorry. We're going to probably do an Instagram giveaway and probably 2 Instagram giveaways. Not really sure, but we're going to do a giveaway on these other 2. I just hadn't had time to get everything posted, but that'll be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm doing an unboxing, kind of, not really, but we'll just start here. Some of these things already been unboxed. I just hadn't had time to actually do the video. But I have 2 more SR215 Spektrum receivers. And one of these will be going in the Mini TF2 Trailfire 2, and another one will be going into the deadbolt, the stock deadbolt. And I think I already posted on the other video, I have a 315 that's going into the bouncer, which is going to be all-wheel drive. Not all-wheel drive, I'm sorry, 4-wheel steering. And also by Hobbypark, I got these little spacers, I guess you would call them. I went with these because they were all black, and the actual screws are black also. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm being strategic with that. These are going on the bouncer, the Mofo V4 bouncer, I'm sorry. Now, I also bought 2 ESCs, which I'm just jumping the gun, guys, because actually, I got, what do I have? I have 2 Furytech Pros on the way, but they hadn't shipped yet. I see on the Furytech website it's been pushed back to December 1st, and I'm itching to get my receivers in my other vehicles. I don't like the stock radios. They work, but my DX5R, I think that's what it is, it worked a whole lot better. But I'm just gonna open these. I think I'm gonna send these back. Not really sure, but I may have to go ahead and use them because, you know, I really like using my factory radio. But these are just some generic, I want to say these are 20 amp. I don't know how well they work, but I will put the link in the description. I'm not really sure. I may send it back, I may not send it back. They had decent reviews. Reason why I got this one because it already had the JST connector, which is what I'm using on the RC4WD, the 124th TF2 Trailfinder 2. But I did order 2 of these, and these were just going to be temporary. And I may go ahead and use them just because, like I say, I'm tired of using that stock radio. I'm going to put these to the side. And this next order is from a company that I used years ago when we were flying. Not that long ago, but it's been a while. It's from Value Hobby. I'll put a link in the description to that also. I got a few batteries because the prices you can't beat, and they already got the, I think it's the PH 2.0 connectors on it. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got here. So I did get two 500 milliamp 2S. I don't know if you guys see this. These are GFORCE. I used to use these in my mini EDFs. Had an F16, F35. I had what is the Blue Angel? I can't think of what it is. F18 maybe, the Blue Angel. I can't really think, but yeah, I used to use these packs. Well, no, actually I used this brand. I didn't use these packs. It was, I want to say I may have used a 3S or something like that. I can't really remember. 3S. I had a 4S bill and a 3S bill that I did used to fly. But these are 2S. And I went with a 3S because I want to try this 3S out. 500 milliamp also. We'll try this 3S out in the bouncer probably. I still hadn't decided which direction I want to go. I don't know if I'm going to put the Mofo brushless in it or the buzzsaw. I'm not really sure. And I'm not telling you guys to put that Mofo, put your Mofo brushes on 3S because I don't know if it's going to go. If it does, you know, this is just kind of like research for me. So if it goes, I just had to buy another one, unfortunately. But I think I am going to test it out. I'm going to test this out on something. I'm not really sure. And like I say, I really want to put this in my bouncer because I want the bouncer to be fast. I want it more so like rip, I guess you would say, like they do in real life. I wanted to have torque, but it doesn't have to have gobs of torque because it's going to be light. I'm not doing weights anywhere right off the bat besides maybe I don't know, I might do wheel extenders. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I really don't want to put them on the wheels. I want to put it somewhere else because I want to keep that weight down low. But we'll see soon. And I also got this, let me see how many milliamp this is. 350 milliamp. This is for the trail finder. And it already has that cable on there that I really need. But I'm going to change that over anyway. I'm going to change it to the... Got to change this one also because it has the JST. And this is on the 3S. That's not a problem changing that though. What I like about these, they already have the cables already on it. PH 2.0 I think is what they're called. And these are only like $5 maybe, something like that. But I'm going to show you what this is going in. So this is the TF2 Mini by RC4WD. I'll put the link in the description above, link right above also where you can check this out. But this is the factory location, and this is about the shape and size. It almost fits in there perfect. But I'm not sure I'm going to keep that battery back there because I think I want to relocate all this. I want to put the battery up front and ESC in the back and the rear. I don't know. I hadn't made my mind up yet. But this is a perfect fit. That's why I want to go with that. And I'm really looking for a 3S this size because I got something I'm planning on doing with this thing. I'm planning on going 3S. I've seen some guys already going 3S. I can't remember their channel, but they're on Instagram. And they're running 3S. And it looks like it does what it looks like it's really doing really well on 3S. So that's the reason why I got that little pack. I'm sure everybody was wondering, but that's the reason why I got that small pack. Well, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, I want to thank all you guys for checking out the videos like you always do. I want to tell you, stay tuned. This has been a lot of hype around this. We do have a Facebook group. Even if you don't own one of these, go ahead and join that Facebook group because they got a bunch of great stuff on there. So far it just started, but it's in the description also. Go ahead and jump into that group because all the upcoming things are going to be listed in that group. I'm excited about this, man. They got a ton of different tires for this thing. They already making, I saw one lady had toolbox. They made a 3D printed toolbox. Yeah, the mirrors are gone, guys. A 3D printed toolbox. New bumper. I got one guy in there was talking about they're going to change this bumper because when you go in like that, so it won't rub. I forgot what they call those bumpers, but man, they got a bunch of stuff that they're doing, that they're going to do with these. Scale crawling or rock driving, I guess. I don't know what you call it. This thing looks phenomenal. If I can find a video, I will put that link in the description also. It's actually on Instagram. You guys got to check this guy out. I can't think of his name, so don't get mad at me, man, for I'm not remembering your name. Oh, one more other thing too. I got RC four-wheel drive bead locks. This is for, I think I'm gonna use these on, I don't even know yet. I might use it on the deadbolt. I'm just not sure. I heard these were a pain, but I did talk to Jay and he told me exactly how to put them on. I've seen several videos, but he actually went back and told me, hey, this is what you need to do. That way they go on, because if you don't do what he told me to do, which I can't remember exactly. Well, I do have an idea of what it is. But you basically got to get the beads lined up, the holes lined up. Once you get those lined up, they go right on. What I've been told, they got nice weight to them. Hadn't opened them yet, but you'll see this on one of my builds pretty soon. I don't know which one. But other than that, that's pretty much all of my new parts that I have right now. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Again, I want to thank everybody for checking out the videos and being very supportive. Till next time, this is GNCRC.